on the beat.
What up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a wig by Jurllyshe. This is not my first time working with this company. They sent me over this box in this Beyonce, like this is giving me Beyonce vibes. Let me know if you feel the same way. But they sent me this box. These are all the goodies that it came with, and then it also comes with your wig. They sent over a 24-inch Jerry curl highlighted brown wig. Okay, so Jerry curl is going to be a very curly texture, and that's one of my favorite textures to use. This is the packaging. I'm gonna take it out. This is what it looks like straight out the pack. And honestly, because this wig was brown and it was already pre-plucked, I really didn't have to do anything but go ahead and put the wig on. So I didn't even customize this wig. It came ready to go out the pack. So what I did was I basically combed out the wig. I combed out the curls out of this wig because I wanted to see, you know, how big it got. So I'm taking 91% alcohol and cleaning her hairline because we are going to use actual glue, wig glue, to lay down this lace. The wig glue that I'm using is from Boho. This is Boho Active, and this is the wig that I combed out. Mind you, I literally just took this out of the pack. So this is my friend Gina. Okay, you guys seen her before. I put the wig on her and she was like, ooh girl, I do not know if this is going to be my vibe. Like, she likes browns and blondes, but this is the lightest that she's ever been when it comes to her hair. And I was like, okay, we're gonna try it because I think it's gonna look bomb on you. I think the color suits your skin tone, so let's try it. All right, so I went and I took my favorite synthetic brushes because I love using these brushes to apply my glue now. Like, it just makes life so much easier when applying glue. I will have these brushes linked down below in the description box for you, okay? And so I am going to apply 3 coats of Boho Active, all right? I'm only going to show you one because like just showing you 3 coats, I feel like it's extra out, all right? So this woman wanted to try to put her own stocking cap on because she does not know how to do her own wig. So I allowed her to do that, and she made her stocking cap all janky. But you know what? How are you supposed to learn if you don't try? So I let her try it, and that's how it turned out. But I told her where her mistakes were and everything like that. So I'm gonna let her do it again the next time that I do her install. So I'm going in and applying this glue thinly across her hairline. And I also like to use Boho Liquid Gold. I always like to use Boho Liquid Gold, and I put a thin layer, like a sparse layer behind the glue that I already applied, because this just helps the lace front sticks down, and it'll also help you stop sliding back. Your lace front stop sliding back. So I like to use this. This is water-based adhesive, I guess you would call it. So when you take your wig off, you'll use a lace front remover from the same brand or a different brand. I like to use C22 solvent if I'm not using the Boho brand to remove my lace. And then once you have your lace removed, then you just take some water and you just spray the rest of your stocking cap, and your stocking cap will slide off. All right, so it's water-based. And so at this point, I'm just applying her wig. I have her hold both of the ear tabs away from her face because I like to work in sections. So I'll work from the middle, and then I'll grab the right or left, and then I'll go to the other side and apply her lace down because I want to make sure that it's not touching any of her glue, because it can definitely mess up the install. All right, so after I put the lace down, we're just like, you know, playing with the hair, and I'm asking her if she want a side part because she loves side parts, or does she want a half up, half down, and she told me she wanted a half up, half down. So I was like, okay. So at this point, she like, okay, this is a vibe. Like, the big hair is a vibe. I'm like, girl, the lace not even cut yet, so you gotta wait, because once the lace cut, it turns into a whole different vibe. You feel me? So I proceed to cut the lace off both ends, and this just blends in so bomb with her. Like, and I was telling her, like, the undertones in the hair and the undertones of her skin match perfectly. Like, so I'm cutting off the rest of the lace, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some baby hair. So that is as much as customizations that I did on this wig, was cut some baby hairs. This wig is literally ready to go out the box. Now, if you feel like this color is a bit much for you, you could go ahead and apply a little bit of roots with some hair dye. And you can use like a medium brown if you're like a darker complexion and you just feel like, ooh, this is a little bit too much. Yeah, go ahead and apply some hair dye on the roots, like a little bit of hair dye, and it will make a whole difference. Okay, and so now I'm cutting her baby hairs, and I'm gonna take my flat iron and I'm gonna curl her baby hairs backwards. And we love the fluffy, messy baby hair look. So that's what we ended up doing on her. I eventually brushed them all the way down because she was leaving and I wanted her baby hairs to last her a while. So I'm using my Even lace spray to apply the baby hairs. I've been loving this spray, and you guys are gonna see it on my channel until I get tired of it, because this spray is definitely good to lay down your baby hairs because they're very sticky, but it's not sticky enough to where it's leaving like a coat of like nastiness on your hair or your hairline. All right, so this is what her hairline is looking like. It's looking really good to me. So we're gonna start molding back her top knot, or her ponytail at the top. So to make sure that her lace is sticking down, I'm gonna use the Even spray and spray her entire hair down like I would do with the Got To Be. And I'm gonna take an elastic band and I'm gonna tie it, because we want to make sure that it is melted. All right, so I proceed to comb out her hair. Just make sure that everything is combed out and detangled. This hair did shed, you guys, and I wouldn't expect anything else, because look at it. It's very curly. It gets very big, and it is processed hair, meaning it has been bleached. It might have been dyed. I don't know the process that they did to get the hair color this way, but it's processed. So you are going to see shedding when it's come to like wigs like this. All right. So I am just basically using my hot comb to mold her hairline backwards, so it's easy for me to put it in a ponytail. So once I got everything slick and molded, I'm going to take 2 rubber bands and I am going to put her hair in a ponytail at the top. And once the ponytail is up at the top, I'm going to take a piece of the hair from the back, flat iron it flat, and then wrap it around the ponytail just to make it a neater look. And while I'm wrapping it around the ponytail, I am going to use my Even spray, because like I said, it's sticky, and I'm going to spray the actual piece of the hair, and I'm going to continue to wrap it and make it smooth so it can have a very neat appearance. Okay, once you get to the end of that piece that you're wrapping, you want to tuck it in underneath the ponytail so you can hide it. Then you're going to spray the entire wrap area with some spray, like I'm going to show you guys. And then I take my flat iron or blow dryer and just blow dry everything into place. So basically that's the end of this video, you guys. I would definitely wear this wig. Would you wear this wig? If so, because this is giving Beyonce vibes, put the B emoji underneath, because it's giving Beyonce. I swear, like, this is a color that she will wear. And like, you don't have to dye it, you don't have to bleach it, you don't have to pluck the hairline, no, nothing. It comes ready to go out the box. Okay, and for 24 inches, this looks way longer than 24 inches, and Gina is about 5'3", 5'4", like we're almost the same height. So Yeah, so that it comes along, and basically everything that I used in this video will be down in the description box for you guys. All you guys have to do is check. We was like, oh, let's take some pictures like that, so we took a bunch of pictures, and then I ended up wetting the hair because, you know, she was getting hot, so I wet it, but I wanted to show you guys what it looked like both ways. Thank you, Jurllyshe, for sending this beautiful wig to me so I could do a demo for you guys. And until next time, bye, best friends.